About a month ago, the OnePlus 8T was launched, and all indications show that the company's next flagship, which is the OnePlus 9 Pro, is already in works. The latest leaks and renders of the OnePlus 9 Pro were published by popular tipster Steve Hemmerstuffer, the same guy who leaked the OnePlus 8T 5G, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, and even the Google Pixel 5. The new OnePlus 9 Pro renders indicate a 6.7-inch curved display, the same as the OnePlus 8 Pro. The 9 Pro also features a punch hole at the top left corner of the screen for the selfie camera, a feature that is also visible on the 8 Pro. The phone also has very thin bezels. The overall design of the OnePlus 9 Pro looks like a combination of the basic design of the OnePlus 8 Pro and the OnePlus 8T, which were released a year ago. According to Steve, the phone has a quad camera setup at the back with two of the cameras enclosed in metal rings. He however didn't provide any details with regards to the camera specs of the OnePlus 9 Pro, but we believe that the larger camera will probably be the main camera and will have higher megapixels, whereas the smaller cameras will serve the purposes of macro and depth sensors respectively. In terms of specs, the OnePlus 9 Pro will probably be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 chipset with 8 or maybe 12 GB of RAM and a storage capacity of 128 GB or 256 GB. The OnePlus 9 Pro is expected to launch in March 2021. It will be launched alongside the OnePlus 9. Also keep in mind that the final design of the phone might change when it's finally released, because as it stands now, the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro are all in the prototype stages. So don't believe everything until it's been made official, but we are very certain that the final design of the OnePlus 9 Pro will look like this. So what do you think about the OnePlus 9 Pro's design? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Until we meet again in the next video, it's bye for now.